Today we are going to talk to you about variance, more specifically how to solve for variance.
Variance is defined as the average of the squared differences of the mean. This is essentially saying that variance is the average distance that all plotted data is away from the mean.
This is the equation for variance. S2 is the symbol for variance. To solve for the variance, you would take the sum of xi minus the mean. Xi represents the individual case, and subtract the mean. You then square the sum of that value and divide it by n minus 1. N represents the number of cases in a dataset.
Let's try a sample question. We will start with a set of 5 cases as seen here: 17, 22, 19, 27, and 11.
We will start by finding the mean. In order to find the mean, you must determine the sum of all cases added together: 17 plus 22 plus 19 plus 27 plus 11.
You then divide the sum of the cases by the number of the cases. In this instance, it is 5. This will give you the mean.
We found that the sum of the cases equaled 96, and divided that by 5 in order to find the mean. In this case, the mean equals 19.2.
Now we can plug the mean into our initial equation. We then subtract the mean from each individual case, as shown here.
This gives us negative 2.2.
2.8,
Negative 0.2.
7.8,
and negative 8.2.
Next, we're going to continue solving the sum of the squares. This means that we're going to square each number we found in the previous column in this new column, as seen here.
Now to finish solving the sum of the squares, we are going to take the sum of the squares as seen here. To do this, we will sum all the values that you see to the left.
Now let's take a look back at the starting variance equation. We will now replace the term for the sum of the squares we found in the numerator with 140.72.
We will divide this number by n. N is equal to the number of cases in this data set. In this case, n is equal to 5.
In this instance, we will be dividing the sum of the squares by 4. Time for the moment you've all been waiting for. The answer to this problem is 35.18, and that is how you solve a variance equation. Thank you for your time and good luck!